How to sort data on Excel, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can sort your data on Excel. So let's get into it. Now, let's say you have a bunch of data. This is just some very simple sample data that I have added over here. So it's just very simple and easy. It's just to show you guys how you're going to actually set up your own data samples or how you're going to organize your data. Now, there are many different ways that you might be wanting to sort your data. So let's get into it and learn how to do that. And if you are someone that is afraid of Excel, if you're always confused on how to use Excel, then make sure to watch this video till the end because I will teach you a bunch of different tips and tricks that you can use to optimize your working process on Excel. So to get started, let's say you have the salary of all of your employees listed. This is just a very hypothetical thing that I've created. And you have the salary listed over here. How do you actually list it increasing or decreasing order? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose the section. So you can choose any cell within the salary section. And what you're going to do is once you click on the cell, you're going to click on home. So you're going to click on home over here. And once you have clicked on home, this is going to be your top toolbar. Probably it's already open. If it's not, you're going to click on home. And once you do that, you're going to see on your total right side, you will have sort and filter. So you can choose to sort this from smallest to largest, sort it from largest to smallest, or add a custom sort. So maybe I want to view the data in the form of the least paid to the highest paid. So sort smallest to highest. So you can see now I have the lowest salary employees at the top, and then it moves down to the highest salary employees. And then I can also sort this in the other way, which is if I go into sort and filter, I can go on to sort. I will sort this from A to Z. I will sort this from largest to smallest, like so. And now I have these highest salaries on top and it's moving towards the lower salaries. Now, it's very important that you actually select the data that you want to filter out. So if I click on this and if I just multi-select all of these cells over here like this, then what I can do is I can click on filter and sort and I can sort from A to Z, and I'm going to click on sort this. So now all of this has been sorted alphabetically like so. And I can also choose to sort this in the opposite manner. So if I don't want it to be from A to Z, I want the opposite direction, then I can go from Z to A. So for that, I can also just select the data and then I can click on sort from Z to A, and this will resort all of my data in the opposite direction. Not only can you do that for names, I'm going to revert this back into A to Z. You can also do a custom sort. So if I click on custom sort over here, I can sort names values based on A to B, and then I can also click on options and I can choose to do it case sensitive as well and sort from left to right as well. So that is another option you can add onto your sortings. Now, if I go on to the date of joining company, so maybe I want to create bonuses for my employees and I want to create bonuses for people that are working the longest for me. So I can sort my data in the format of who joined the company the earliest to the latest. So that would enable me to give the larger bonuses to people that joined earlier on and then give smaller bonuses to people that joined recently. So I can click on the data over here, click on sort and filter, and click on oldest to newest. And now you can see the date of joining company has been arranged and people that joined the earliest could receive the largest bonus. And you can also list the birthdays and then you can sort the data accordingly. So I'm going to do the same thing, sort from largest to smallest like that. And now you can see the oldest people in the company have been ranked over here to the largest. So that is how simple and easy it is for you to sort your data with this simple platform. Now, Excel has so much more than just this. So if I was to create a column like this, now you can see the column is now being bunched together. So I can expand the data like so. And maybe if I have multiple categories of data in a vertical or horizontal format. So if I go on to insert over here and I write Jane Doe's company data. Now you can see it looks very weird. It looks off. It is not centered. So what you're going to do in a situation like this where your data is expanding the cell that you wrote it on, what you're going to do is you're just going to multi-select the cells. So all of the cells on top of this I'm going to select. And then what I'm just going to do is I'm going to do a right click. I can click on format cells over here and then you can format them in a specific way, or you can also just go into and select multiple cells and then you can format them as a conditional format or format format them as a specific row. Now, another thing that you can do with these multiple different cells is that you can also filter out your text, because let's say if you have data in a specific cell like this, let's say you have data in a specific cell like this is lower bottom text, so you can choose to place it at the center, at the top, if you choose to expand the size of your cell. Like if the cell is looking like this, then you might want to place it at the center, at the top, or at the bottom. Usually it would be auto selected at the bottom, but you can choose to place it at the top or however you want as well, and you can choose to align it however you might want, like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of this data like over here, and I might want to expand this cell like so, but it would expand the bottom information. So that is why I actually recommend merge and center, because I don't want like such a long field in the name section. That is why I would want to decrease the size of the A cell, and instead of just, having to increase the size of the cell to fit the data, I would just select the cells that are above the section, the table, and I would just click on merge. So I would click on merge and center over here and center the text, and you can also choose to center it however you want in terms of alignment of the specific text as well. You can also add the colors of your background just to make it look more organized, and that is how simple it is to use Excel sheets. You can create wonderful, amazing financial reports with Excel sheets. They are super helpful and simple to use. I used to be one of those people that didn't understand Excel sheets and I used to run away from it, but once I learned all of these simple basics, then I was able to easily manage my business and my finances with Excel sheets. I'm not even kidding. You can not only do so much more, but you can also enter formulas like if I want the sum of all of these values month 9. So what I would do is I would just click on the bottom over here, click on is equal to, I would click on sum, or I would just type in sum, and then it's going to ask me what. So if you find it too difficult to enter the cell information, just select the cell you want the sum for and just move your cursor up, and this is what the sum I want to be for is. And just like that, I have the sum of all of the values that I selected. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.